A Tempo mattress supports you like no other mattress, gently conforming to the unique shape of your body. The Tempo material becomes softer where your body exerts the most pressure and firmer in cooler areas where your body exerts the least pressure, so you can relax into your most comfortable position. A Tempo mattress redistributes your weight and helps reduce the need to toss and turn due to uncomfortable pressure or stress on your joints. The unique properties of Tempo material supports partners independently, so you can enjoy undisturbed sleep throughout the night and move freely without waking one another. Tempo offers a wide range of firmer, softer, or traditional mattress feels. Try the 3 collections and let your body choose. Sleep on a Tempo mattress and wake up revitalized, ready to enjoy your day.